In this video, I am going to reveal the exact method I use to create highly profitable UGC ads using AI, just like the ones you're seeing here.
Discover the bold new Dior Sauvage, where luxury meets adventure. Feel the connection every time you hold Dior Sauvage in your hands. Let the rich magnetic scent.
In the next few minutes, you'll learn how to upload your product, generate a natural UGC-style ad, use the powerful first-to-last frame technique, and even transform a single photo into a viral-ready commercial. This matters now more than ever because UGC ads are dominating TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts, yet the cost of real shoots keeps rising. Vidau eliminates that barrier by giving you access to multiple advanced AI video models in one place, including Vidau 3.1, Sora 2, Seedance, Hailuo, Kling, and Pixverse. Alright, let me show you how to create viral UGC ads step by step. The tool we are using is called Vidau, and once you click the link in the description and sign up, you will see a clean interface with everything you need in one place. Vidau includes top video generation models such as Google Vidau 3.1, Sora 2, Seedance 1, Nano Banana, Wan 2.5, and Vidau AI, giving you a full powerhouse of creation tools. You can remix video ads, generate product images, use AI avatars for your brand, create video ads from product photos or URLs, and explore a large collection of community avatars, realistic avatars, and fully AI-generated characters. To generate our product video, we will use the Remix Video Ad feature. Upload up to 30 images from different angles to give the model variety. For example, if I want to create a video ad for a lady's perfume, I upload 5 images, 2 showing the perfume, 2 showing the lady applying it, and 1 highlighting her smooth, glowing skin as the result. You can use any angle you want, such as flat lay shots, lifestyle mock-ups, packaging images, or even simple phone photos. After that, enter your product name, product title, a short product description, and your key selling points. Vidau uses this information to produce ads that match your brand identity. Choose how many videos you want to generate, select your preferred language, and pick an avatar from the huge library. You can filter avatars by industry, gesture, or clothing style to match your audience. Confirm your avatar and click Generate. In under a minute, you will have 4 ready-to-share videos, each with its own unique style and personality.
The essence of luxury with Dior Sauvage Elixir. Feel the wild, untamed energy in every drop. Make every moment unforgettable. Try Dior Sauvage today. The bold new Dior Sauvage, where luxury meets adventure. Feel the connection every time you hold Dior Sauvage in your hands. Let the rich magnetic scent envelop you in confidence and allure. Make every moment unforgettable. Gift Dior Sauvage and inspire those you love.
When your videos are ready, you will notice clean UGC-style edits with natural movement, realistic lighting, and avatars that look like real creators. The product shots look like studio-grade ads, and the best part is there is no need for gear, models, or large budgets. You get ready to post product ad videos in just a few seconds. If you are getting value from this, keep watching, because the next part is the shortcut that makes these ads even easier for beginners and pros. Here is a powerful trick most people never use. Combine a UGC talking video with a Vidau 3.1 cinematic B-roll clip. Click on AI video and select Vidau 3.1 if you want bold motion and high-end visuals. This is where the magic happens. Use the first frame to last frame technique. Upload your product image as the starting frame. Choose the ending frame where you want the shot to finish, and provide a simple prompt to guide the transition. Choose your aspect ratio, resolution, duration of 8 seconds, set how many videos you want, and hit generate. Vidau fills everything in between with smooth motion. It turns basic photos into a professional sequence. Then, combine everything in an editor like CapCut by letting the avatar introduce the product, then cutting to the cinematic shots you generated. This instantly upgrades your ad, increases watch time, and makes the product feel premium. Because Vidau connects multiple AI models in one place, you can generate all scenes across Sora, Hailuo, Minimax, Seedance, Wan 2.5, and Vidau 3 without switching tabs. Click the link in the description below and create your first viral UGC ad. To take this even further, Watch my next video on screen, where I show you how to create realistic talking avatars to power your faceless content using AI. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next strategy. I will see you in the next video.